guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the K1600GT. We brought it at auction about 4 months ago now, and we've spent the last 4 months fixing all the engine issues and all the fairings, and this video is just going to be from when we bought it to when we sold it and everything in between. So these are the photos from when we bought it. The right hand side had no marks or damage at all, just a few scratches on the panniers, but the left hand side, that's where most of the damage was. The front wheel was badly buckled. So we stripped the bike down in our garage and we found that the cylinder head cover and the cylinder head was, well, really broken. So we searched for new parts, and we actually found a engine that had been made into a coffee table that someone had made using the K1600GT engine. So we bought that, and we used the parts that we needed off of that, and then we've broken the engine down and we've managed to sell all the other components. So we actually made money from buying that engine, which is amazing. So this is the broken cylinder head and this is the new cylinder head. We had to switch all the components over from the old head to the new head. There were obviously 24 valves and springs to transfer, and we had it all on our kitchen table just because we needed the room, and we were up till about midnight transferring them all, so that was quite fun. We had to compress the spring down using the tool so that we could take out the split collar. To do this, we had to use a special valve spring compressor tool. We used a Draper one. Putting the spring into the new head, then the valve cap, we then put some oil on the valve. Inserting the valve back into the spring. And using the Draper tool to compress the spring. We now had to put the split collar back. We used Molykote paste on the split collar to aid assembly. It almost acted like a glue to help it stick. This was the tricky bit. We then loosened off the spring, which then clamped the split collar in place. The new cylinder head gasket. Fitting the new cylinder head gasket to the engine, we had to hold the chain out the way so it didn't fall into the engine. Then we fitted the cylinder head, tightening up the cylinder head bolts. We had to tighten them up in a certain order on a certain torque setting. We found this information in the BMW service manual. The inlet and outlet camshafts. The camshafts being clamped on with the specialist tool from BMW, and the chain now attached to the sprockets. So that is all the engine fixed now. So this right side is completely fine. Nothing was got damaged on this side. There is a slight mark on the right pannier, so we'll get that painted. Most of the damage was on the left hand side of the bike. So there's scratches here. This whole panel is scratched, so we're going to get a new panel off there. This is scratched here, so we'll get a new piece there. And the left pannier is also scratched, so we'll paint that as well. I'm going to be fitting the new GPR exhaust to the K1600GT. We've gone for the carbon look, as I think that'll really set it off, and then we'll see what it looks like and hear what it sounds like. Okay, so this is the old standard exhaust, and this is the GPR exhaust. Looks a lot different. Okay, so this is what it looks like now with the new exhaust on, and oh, it looks so much better than the standard. It sounds amazing as well. It's so much deeper than the other one. It sounded more like tinny, but with two of them as well, it sounds amazing. Actually sounds better in person than through the video, but anyway, really good. So we have replaced the windshield, all the fairings and panels that were scratched and damaged, the mirrors, the levers, the radiator, the new front wheel that was buckled, and we've also replaced the standard exhaust with the carbon GPR exhaust system. She looks so much better now. GPR exhaust system, £120 from eBay. Front wheel, £98 from eBay. BMW windshield, £213 from eBay. So we bought the engine from eBay that was a coffee table. We've used the cylinder head and the cylinder head cover from that engine, and then we've broken the engine down into parts and we've sold them on eBay. So we actually made money from the engine. So we actually bought the engine for $900 as the coffee table, and with selling all the parts that we broke down, we got £1,100 back from all the parts sold. So that's a bonus. Front upper panel, £32 from eBay. Gasket, £40 from eBay. Left hand fairing panel, £60 from eBay. Left side panel guard cover, £38 from eBay. Top left front fairing panel, £52 from eBay. Left side audio trim, £48 from eBay. The radiator and surround guard, £172 from eBay. Pair of mirrors, £50 from Moto Works. Brake and clutch levers, £30 from eBay. Lower left radiator panel, £110 from Moto Works. Fog light bracket, £35 from BMW. So this is the breakdown of all the parts we brought and the costs of everything. We bought the bike from auction as a Cat-N for £7,100. It was a 2015 with 2,300 miles on. We spent £898 total on parts. So the total spend in all was £7,998. We sold the bike last week to a very happy customer for £8,600. So the profit from this project was £602. Loads about engines and valves and everything. I've never been with an engine being taken apart before, so it was great fun. And also within that, when we finished the bike, we had the bike for about 5 weeks, so I got to ride it for about 5 weeks, which was amazing. So I mean, it's a lovely bike, great for shopping, really good for shopping. You can fit so much in the panniers, even though my husband wasn't too pleased about that. Hi guys, thanks for watching the K1600 video. We've just bought another auction. It's a S-Thou XR touring bike. So we're just in the gist of figuring out what we need to get for it, researching on eBay all the parts, but that video will be coming as soon as we finish the project. Yeah. But thanks for watching anyway, and if you liked it, please do a big thumbs up and subscribe. That would be brilliant. Thank you very much. Hi guys. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome